Hello viewers, in this video I am going to provide the solution for the value of the quadruple of cos x plus the quadruple of sin x. We are given that the difference between cos x and sin x is equal to half. In solving this question, I am going to make cos x to be a, and wherever I see sin x I am making that b. So if cos x minus sin x is equal to half, it implies that a minus b is also the same as half. And it also implies that I am asked to find the value of a raised to power 4 plus what? B raised to power 4. Let's bear this in mind. In solving this question, the first thing I'm going to do is to square both sides of this equation. So this left hand side, I'm going to square it. The right hand side, I'm also equally going to square it. Let's remember the square of a minus b as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this equals, if you square half, you will get 1 over 4. Now remember that our a is what? Cos x. So a square is what? Cos square x minus 2ab. That is minus 2 times a, which is cos x, times b, which is sin x, plus the square of b from here, that is the square of sin x, which is sin square x. This equals the 1 over 4. So I have been able to replace back the a and b, which is cos x and sin x respectively. Now can you remember the Pythagorean triple, that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1? So I am using 1 to replace this and this. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. And then I bring down the other ones. Minus 2 cos x multiplied by sin x. This equals 1 over 4. My next step here will be to solve for cos x sin x. I solve for cos x sin x by collecting like terms. 1 minus 1 over 4. And then later I'm going to divide both sides by these 2. If you find the value of 1 minus 1 over 4 divided by 2, you would eventually get 3 over 8. So cos x sin x is equal to 3 over 8. Also, AB is also the same as 3 over 8. You know the cos x is a and the sin x is equal to what? B. So let's bear it in mind that AB is equal to 3 over 8. The next thing I am going to do here is still to bring back that Pythagorean triple where cos square x plus sin square x is equal to what? 1. You know my a is cos x, so a square is cos square x, just like in this case too. Then the next thing I'm going to also do will also be to square both sides of this. You know, I'm trying to get a raised to power 4. That is the logic behind the solution to the question. So let me square this side of the equation and also square this side. So a square plus b square is multiplying a square plus b square. If you square 1, you will get 1. If you expand this, it will give you a raised to power 4 plus 2a raised to power 2, b raised to power 2 plus the quadruple of b equals 1. Let's bring this b raised to power 4 to be by the a raised to power 4. And then let me cross this to the opposite side. That will become minus 2a square b square. So this factorizes as 1 minus 2 into this a square b square. I'm going to split it as ab all squared so that I can bring in the value of ab, which is what? 3 over 8. So 3 over 8 will be substituted in here for ab. And this is going to be squared. So solving this further, I would have 1 minus 3 over 8 all squared is 9 over 64. This is multiplying that 2 there. 9 over 64 times 2, that is 18 over 64. 1 minus 18 over 64 gives 46 over 64. And when you reduce 46 over 64, you will get 23 over 32. So this is the solution to a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4, the quadruple of cos x plus the quadruple of sine x. Thanks for viewing. For more exciting videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel.